Fluent Shift English Podcast.
Podcast from Speak English Daily.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent Shift Podcast, the show that transforms how you think about English learning. Are you still translating in your head when you speak English?
That's exactly why you feel stuck and slow.
But 87% of English learners never discover there's a brain switch that fluent speakers use automatically.
I'm about to show you how to flip that switch in just 7 days.
This isn't the 7-day English brain revolution. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mark. And today is day 1 of 7-day English brain revolution. How to train your brain to think in English.
And here's what's crazy. 87% of English learners get stuck in what I call the translation trap. And it's not their fault.
Right. It's like having a library of English knowledge, but the filing system is completely broken.
Exactly. Your brain has a language switch that most people never learn to flip. Today, we're showing you how to activate it in just 7 days. Here's the lie we've all been sold. Practice makes perfect. But neuroscience shows us practice doesn't make perfect. Perfect practice creates automatic pathways.
What do you mean by automatic pathways?
Think about riding a bike. You didn't study balance physics. Your brain just created automatic responses. English fluency works the same way.
But I feel like I'm always translating in my head first.
That's the translation trap. Your brain processes English like this. Hear English. Translate to native language. Think response. Translate back. Speak. This creates a cognitive traffic jam.
So, fluent speakers skip the translation step?
Exactly. They've developed what scientists call direct neural pathways, English thoughts that bypass translation entirely. And you can build these pathways in just 7 days using immersion microdosing. Here's the method that's helped over 10,000 students. I call it the English method. Day 1, eliminate translation windows. Set 5 random phone alarms. When they ring, continue whatever you're thinking about in English for 60 seconds, no exceptions. Day 2, neural pattern interruption. Every time you catch yourself thinking in your native language, say switch out loud, then restart that thought in English. Day 3, gamified repetition. Turn practice into play. Earn English XP points for every English interaction. Your brain loves games. We're hijacking that addiction. Day 4, linguistic environment design. Redesign your spaces. To make English the path of least resistance, change your phone language, change your social media, change everything. Day 5, identity shift programming. Start thinking of yourself as a person who thinks in English, not someone learning English. This identity shift accelerates learning by 400%. Day 6, subconscious input flooding. While you sleep, your brain processes language patterns. Use English audio to program English rhythms into your subconscious. Day 7, habit stack integration. Attach English practice to habits you already do automatically. This creates invisible practice time.
This sounds intense. What should people expect?
Your brain will resist. That's how you know it's working. Some students experience neural fatigue around day 3 or 4. This is normal. It means your brain is literally rewiring itself. Here are 3 advanced techniques that accelerate results. Technique 1, the 4-3-2-1 method. 4 minutes, challenging English content. 3 minutes, medium difficulty. 2 minutes, easy, enjoyable content. 1 minute, complete English silence. Let your brain process. Repeat 3 times daily. Technique 2. Emotional state programming. Deliberately create positive emotions while using English. Your brain will associate English with good feelings, eliminating anxiety that blocks fluency. Technique 3. The English character. Create a detailed profile of your ideal English-speaking self. What are they like? How do they think? Practice becoming this character during conversations.
What about common problems people face?
The biggest block is, I can't stop translating. Here's the fix. Don't fight the translation habit. Replace it with a stronger one. Use the switch technique from day 2 consistently. Here's what students report. Days 1 to 7, the switch. Brain begins preferring English in specific contexts. Translation time decreases noticeably. Dreams may include English fragments. Days 8 to 14, the acceleration. Automatic English responses in familiar situations. Thinking speed approaches native language speed. Days 15-30, the mastery. English thoughts occur without conscious effort. You can express complex emotions naturally. English becomes truly automatic.
What's the success metric?
By day 30, you should be able to maintain English-only internal monologue for 30+ minutes and respond to unexpected questions within 2 seconds. Here's your challenge. For the next 24 hours, live as if English is your only language, not just speaking, but thinking, planning, problem-solving, everything in English.
That sounds terrifying.
It will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will resist, but you'll discover English thoughts you didn't know you had. This challenge alone will advance your English more than months of traditional study. Remember, you don't need permission to be fluent. You don't need perfect grammar to communicate powerfully. You just need to flip the switch.
Download our free 7-day protocol PDF using the link in the comments and start your English brain revolution today.
Subscribe to Speak English Daily, and we'll see you in the next episode, where we dive into grammar rules are killing your fluency.
Until then, keep your brain in English mode.